everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a bike chain easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is a bike chain, and this one isn't that dirty, but this process will work whether your bike chain is just a bit dirty like this or super duper dirty. Now, there are a few different methods for this. There are the more advanced methods where you take the chain off, you completely degrease it with a degreaser, you use a brush and so forth, and those ones are great, but they're really difficult and time consuming. This is a quick method that you can use on a bi-weekly or a monthly basis, even a weekly basis, because it's so quick. The best part about it is that it's not very different from cleaning the rest of your bike. So if you're cleaning your bike anyways, you can easily clean the chain using this method. What I have here is a very simple rag that I use to clean things, and it just has some dish soap and water mixture on it, okay? So you can do this, and you can also use like a cleaning brush to scrub the chain, but for the most part, this will clean it and degrease it rather quickly. So we're gonna take this right here, and it's quite soaking, as you can see. It's like dripping out of it, but it's just your whatever dish soap you wanna use, okay? I believe I use Palmolive, but you can use any kind of dish soap. And water on a rag. And what you're going to do is you're going to wipe down the chain. So wipe down the chain, okay? And then you're going to backpedal. So take your pedals, backpedal a bit, wipe down the chain, okay? Backpedal, wipe down the chain, okay? Now, like I said, this chain isn't filthy, but you can already see it's taking off quite a bit of grease, okay? So you can just keep wiping and keep backpedaling. And the chain is going to continue cleaning itself as it makes its way through the cogs and the gears, right? Make sure you change the side of the rag that you're using as well every once in a while, and make sure you give it a good scrub. Now, like I said, if you want to take this to the advanced level, you can definitely go ahead, and you can also incorporate like a cleaning brush to scrub in between the chain. But this is something that takes a few minutes and will degrease your chain and clean it quite a bit. There are degreasing solutions that you can make and that you can use that are already prefabricated, but this actually does a great job. I mean, it's a simple method. And then the best part about it is that when you go ahead and grease your chain again to make sure it slides nicely and moves freely, the grease is gonna hold nicely. Your new lubricant is gonna hold nicely on the chain, okay? So as you've seen, we've only been doing this for a couple minutes, and the chain is already quite clean. You can see we've removed the majority of the grease and the dirt from it. And the best part about it is that now, if your chain is clean, you can look, I can put my finger right on there and I'm not getting any grease on it, okay? So, and then you can just let it dry. I mean, you don't even really need to rinse it with water because it's just dish soap and water. So you could just let it dry. You can rinse it with water if you want to, but honestly, you don't even really need to because it's just dish soap and water. So it's really up to you. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.